Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by collecting what the online form will demand and why it matters: proof of identity and residency speed verification. Once done, scan or photograph your documents at 300 dpi and save them as JPG or PDF. This prevents rejection for poor quality. Make sure your device has a stable connection and a payment method if a fee applies. You'll enter your legal name, date of birth, and contact details first. Complete these exactly as on your ID to avoid delays. You now navigate the provincial health portal and select the appropriate application type. This ensures you're routed to the right process. As you fill fields, copy information from your documents to avoid transcription errors. Upload each scanned file where prompted and confirm file size/format limits. Oversized files often fail. Once all sections are complete, review everything slowly: names, addresses, and dates, then submit. You'll receive a confirmation number. Save it for tracking and future inquiries. You finish by confirming submission and watching for a confirmation email or on-screen number. This is your proof. Make note of the estimated processing time and delivery method. Some provinces mail a temporary number immediately. If your application is rejected, the email will state why. Fix that specific item and resubmit quickly. If the portal errors, take screenshots, call support with your confirmation number, and explain the steps you already took so they can resolve it faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.